Hi there, welcome to Automotive Control in Bristol. We have a 2016 Transit Custom van with us, and we've been removing the forward radio and we have been installing the fairly new Kenwood DMX6523 Apple CarPlay Android Auto. We've completed the dash conversion. The top display still works. We'll still actually show you the parking sensor optics. We've also fitted a parking camera onto the Kenwood, which shows the tow bar as well. And this new 6523 has DAB radio, standard Bluetooth, FM, AM, but also most importantly wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. Steering wheel controls are also configured to work, and this unit comes with a 3-year Kenwood warranty, providing it's installed by a Kenwood Pro installer dealer, which is exactly what we are. So yeah, Automotive Control in Avonmouth in Bristol. Thanks for watching.